everyone, it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market. And today I'm here with Brian. Say hi.
Hello, everybody.
Thanks so much for being here.
My pleasure, Reagan.
So tell me, what is your business and what do you guys sell here?
Well, we're all things made new woodworks. So, all the things you see here, home decor, woodwork, all manner of boards, little home decor items, bric-a-brac as I like to call it. It's and we also do custom woodworking. So home furnishings, furniture, custom furniture, do all of that stuff.
Wow, very cool. So what got you into this whole woodworking world?
Well, I've been in the corporate world for the last 15 or so years, and I just, as a software product manager, and so a lot of that is quite technical project management, but I've always had this creative side to me, and I love working with my hands, and so I really wanted to step into that fully, and just kind of make things with my hand. I love that. And also, I wanted to kind of make a lasting impact with my life. And so, all things made new is from the Bible, and it's all about God's promise to restore this broken world and to come back and to live with us and make his dwelling with us and to restore everything. And so there's kind of a play on words. Originally I started doing reclaimed wood products. And so I was doing restoration, making stuff out of pallet wood, reclaimed stuff. And so it's kind of a double entendre. So we're a small local business, but, we're on a mission to make a global impact by 10% of all of our proceeds we donate. We have a charitable giving portion of our business. And so 10% I choose an individual and organization that's doing work to spread the gospel of Jesus to people all around the world. And so right now I'm supporting a musician that's making an album. Last year I donated to The Chosen and their foundation. So if you've never heard of The Chosen TV series, you should check them out. But we're on mission here. I'm just making all this stuff for God's glory.
I love that. That's so cool. And what do you find you're most passionate about making out of all your products?
Out of everything? Well, I love designing stuff. I like working with my hands, and turning a block of wood into something is just an incredible feeling. But then the design aspect of that too. So, using all the different software to design something and then to kind of see it come to life. So I love designing new products. Anytime I can design something or work with a customer and build like a piece of furniture that they're inspired to make, I love doing that.
I love that. That's so cool. So what do you want people watching this to know about your business so they come on down here and buy all of your creative stuff you have here?
Well, this is our first time doing a farmer's market ever.
Oh, wow.
And so we're excited. We're thankful and privileged to be here. Thank you. And we'll be trying to do as much of this throughout the summer and throughout the year. And come on out, come check us out. My commitment is to keep on bringing new products, fresh products. We've got, for example, Father's Day, magnetic pucks. Okay. So, trying to, obviously a big part of what we do is like for gifting. And so whether or not it's some home, like kitchen item, like this oven push-pull stick with a bottle opener, or a magnetic puck. So if you have the need to gift someone, and we've got Father's Day coming around, we're going to keep on bringing new products. So come on out, and also we do custom woodworking. So come out and tell us about your project, and we're happy to help you.
Amazing. And where can people find you? Do you guys have a website, social media, anything like that?
I've got too many websites, but my main website is www.atmnwoodworks.com, ATMN, and that's also our Instagram and Facebook handle, ATMN Woodworks. You can check us out on social media. I try to keep people updated on the projects that we're cranking out of my small, home garage workshop. But also we've got a lot of stuff on the website. Also getting into Etsy, a lot of built-in marketing. So you can also find us on Etsy. Same thing, atmnwoodworks.com.
Perfect. Well, make sure to check it out. We'll have it all linked down below as well, so people can check it out nice and easy. And if you guys know any other small businesses looking to get featured, or if you want to buy stuff from Brian, make sure to reach out to him directly as well. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Thank you, Reagan. Great to meet you. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Bye-bye.